If you want to pay with your Samsung Galaxy S25, then first of all we need to go to settings. Then over here go to connections, and we need to make sure that NFC is enabled. You might want to also go to NFC and contactless payments, and over here you can choose the default wallet app. Samsung Wallet is set as default. However, I personally prefer to use Google Wallet, so over here we can switch it here. Besides that, Google Wallet is not pre-installed by default, so you might need to go to Play Store and search for the Wallet app by Google. So you want to make sure that this app is installed. If it is, then we can open it, press Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner, and then choose Payment Card. Now you will open the rear camera, and you need to simply put your credit or debit card within the frame that you can see over here in the middle of the screen. If you have issues with scanning your card, you can also enter details manually by using this text at the bottom, and then you can provide those informations manually and then follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on the screen. And that is essentially it. Remember that in order to pay with your S25, you need to unlock your device prior to the contactless payment. So when you are about to use your phone in order to pay, remember to unlock it, I mean. And furthermore, we can also go to the quick settings, and over here we should be able to also add an option for toggling NFC. So if you wish to turn it on and off easily, then you can tap on this pen icon and go to edit, and over here in available buttons you should be able to find NFC. In my case it is here. We can simply tap on it in order to add it, or you can press and hold and then drag and drop it anywhere. Press down in the top right corner twice, and there we go. We can tap on NFC in order to quickly turn it on or off when needed. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.